Hey, so if I'm doing this correctly, this is the Dublin stitch. It's basically a net structure, pretty stretchy. This is the technical right side, and this is the technical wrong side. So because it's a net, basically, type structure, you need to start with a chain. You can either choose another stitch, or you can do a crochet chain, which is like here. But if you do a crochet chain, you want to finish off this end like that before you start connecting it to the other side. And you're going to want to make this guy real short or tuck him in right away, this tail, because he's going to get annoying and in your way real fast. So this is how I did it. Sometimes might find it easier to do it upside down. This is not my next loop. This is my next loop, and this one, it goes like that. But for this one, I have to start with the yarn away from me. I cannot go around my thumb. I go under the next loop, pick it up from behind so it wraps around. But then I have to tighten it to the needle because there's no gauge, and pull through. Better to pull it in the direction the stitch goes in. It wants to go up, so you go up. And then you tighten it. That is your gauge. It's going to be a little tricky, but I have to have the yarn behind me. Then I go pick up from behind like that, so it's wrapped. Tighten it, and then pull upwards, not downwards, but upwards and away from me. Because if I was doing this upside down, that'd be a different story, but I'm doing it this way. So I go in my next loop, pick up from behind, tension it, hold it all together so it doesn't come undone, and pull upwards and away. This is so twisty. I gotta say, it's not my favorite stitch, but if you need a net, this would be cool. Tighten, put it up and pull it away. But you kind of have to hold it all together until you're done pulling through, because your tension's going to want to come undone. Remember, I have to have the yarn behind me, not in front, but behind me. Go into my next loop, go around it, tension it, hold it all together, and pull through, but pull away. And that's how I made it. So it's either right or wrong. I don't know. I gotta say, I don't think I'm gonna make anything out of it, but if I needed a hair tie, this could do it. Good luck.